Hi, I'm Sierra from Gwinnett County Public Library, and tonight we're reading I Am Not a Dog Toy by Ethan T. Berlin. Hello! I'm going to be your most favorite toy ever. We're going to fight bad guys, build forts, and fight different bad guys. You're kind of weird looking. I know, isn't it cool? I have so many pockets. Yeah, I'm gonna put you over here. Splash. Hello! You're going to be my most favorite toy ever. We're going to run around in circles, cuddle, and run around in different circles. What? No, I am not a dog toy. But I'll play with you all the time. I will love you, and chew you, and lick you, and chew you. That is such a unique offer, but I am not a dog toy. Dog toys are torn up, disgusting things that weren't good enough to be kids' toys. And I am a fancy kids' toy with lots of pockets. You have so many pockets. Thank you. Also, you are a dog toy because I am a dog and we're going to play together. Wasn't that the most fun ever? You're totally a dog toy. First, that was not the most fun ever. Second, that was so much fun. And third, I am not a dog toy. See, here comes my best friend, a kid, to rescue me from you, a dog. What is this thing doing on my bed? I don't think she's your friend. She threw you into the wedge. Only toys she doesn't like go into the wedge. It's true. We're wedge toys now. You never escape the wedge. I would never throw you into the wedge. I am not a wedge toy, and I am not a dog toy. I am a kid's toy, and this kid is going to play with me. Let's fight some bad guys. Let's ride around in circles. Let's make the biggest fort ever. Having fun? No, this kid is so boring. Maybe you should consider playing with a really fun dog. No, I'm supposed to be a kid's toy. I'm going to find someone who wants to be my best friend. Someone who likes to fight bad guys and build forts and fight different bad guys. Someone who thinks it's really cool that I have so many pockets. Someone who's fun to play with and would never put me in the wedge. Someone who is... Hey dog? Yes, Bert? I think I'm a dog toy. I knew it. Let's run around in circles. I am a dog toy, and it is glorious. Thanks for listening. Good night, sleep tight. It's time to rest your head. Good night, sleep tight. It's time to go to bed. Today was a good day, and tomorrow will be even better. Good night, sleep tight. It's time to rest your head. Today was a good day, and tomorrow will be even better. Good night, sleep tight. It's time to go.